Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well this morning or this afternoon, depends on when you watch this. So, great. Ended up being a great day yesterday. I didn't even get any miles ran. I did not. I had a meeting, an online meeting, and it went till 6 o'clock. And then I got to thinking, then I thought, oh, yeah, I'll just go afterwards. But then I got to thinking, if I, from 6 to 7, if I run from 6 to 7, and then when I get back, I would never fall asleep. I would be up half the night. So I guess I just kind of, I actually turned on the television and watched some television. But the show that I was watching, I thought would be better. It's called Station 19. I think it was, Station 19. I don't know. I thought there'd be more action in it, but I don't know. It seems like I'll keep watching. I always base something on watching the first two, like the first episode, and if I think the first episode is stupid, then I don't watch it. And so, I think I just gotta watch more than one episode. Cause like on Netflix, there's this Heartland. I think it's called Heartland. It's kind of like it has horses. It's kind of it's not a Western. I don't know what it is. It's like a wholesome show. And I thought, oh, that would be kind of a good one. Because that's what I like to put on when I'm like, for example, I'm doing a project at home. Or I'm working on something. I sometimes will put a series on and then like watch it as I do the project. For example, most people laugh at me, but I quilt. So I quilt by hand. So everything, so when I make a quilt, it's all hand stitched. And so, like I'll put on a series and it can get really long stitching. Like for example, the last quilt I made was about the size, it was a little smaller than a queen size for a queen size bed. So, you got big long stretches there where you have to stitch two pieces together. And sometimes that would take, an hour, 2 hours just to do one whole thing by hand. And so, so I always try to find a series to watch as I quilt. So it becomes my quilting series. So I'm starting a new quilt. So gonna work in some, we have an embroidery machine, so I'm gonna work in that. But anyways, I thought yesterday was a fantastic tour. Second time going up there. Learned something different, it seems like. I mean, Brandon and I think Jacob did a very good job. Very good. Brandon does a very good job explaining things, making things make sense for students who might not understand what they're doing. And I thought Jacob did an excellent job with the drone. So I came back to the center and I was telling Mr. Bope that, field agent, because that's what they were using. So now he's thinking about it. I mean, we have it here and we've bought the camera for field agent and so everything. And so just got to now convince them that we need to pay, I guess, the subscription to have it every year is extremely expensive. And so they don't know if they want to. But then again, I keep telling them, then why have that on the drone if we can't use it for what it's used for? But some battles, I never win. But oh well, probably not gonna win this one either. I just don't think they think, because I can still use the app to, how Jacob yesterday programmed it to just to fly and take some photos. And they're thinking that's good enough for kids to learn, but I don't know. They're probably just nervous because then if you do that, you might have to buy a computer to run the software on, but I don't know. Enough complaining. It's Thursday. almost the end of the week. Almost the end of the week. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get over there Monday or Tuesday, because it's about the only 2 days I can get over there. Unless something major that I can't take you out of class for. I mean, I'm not gonna take you out of class. I'm just gonna go over there on Monday or Tuesday. Probably Tuesday, because Monday I'm supposed to do a field trip with my last field trip. So it might be Tuesday. But if Tuesday doesn't work, you gotta let me know. But anyways, today I have this video up here. Turn it a little bit here. I'm gonna share this video. It's like a 20-minute video. It's called Dawn to Dusk. It's about farming. It's about family. I use it a lot in 8th grade agriculture. We actually do a lesson on it. So, but don't think I'm teaching in 8th grade, because I do when I happen to be gone. This is also one of my sub-activities that the kids have to do. You're not going to get the set of questions. I would like you just to watch it and then write me a paragraph reflection about it. So if you wanted to take notes as you're going. So when I think of a paragraph, I think of like 5 sentences in a 5 to 6 sentences in a paragraph. But if that's a little challenging, the paragraph part, you can do bulleted points. Like give me 5 bullet points that you noticed in the video. It's kind of filmed like it's shot like a film. So, but I think it's a great video. It's very short. It's actually 23 minutes 18 seconds. So, I really like it. So, and it's like farming in the Midwest. It's like us. It's like you guys. You know, you're farming in the Midwest. It's family. And how families come together to help each other, or our family comes together to make sure that everything on the farm is done. So I'm going to have you watch this today, and we'll go from there. But anyways, I hope you have a fantastic Thursday. I know it's supposed to be windy today, but I hope that you can get outside and do something a little bit exciting. So other than that, we'll see you tomorrow.